Ano ang naging inspirasyon mo sa nabuo mong disenyo? My inspiration in my design is the Philippine flag because it indicates the Philippines, and also the family right here that I drew because it indicates that the family is very loving. Bakit ito ang disenyong napili mong ilagay sa iyong hat? Napili ko po ang Philippine flag kasi it indicates po the Philippines, which is our bansa, and the family po, this one, kasi po, like, loving family po sila. Tapos ito pong yung mga girls po, Adams lang po sila. Paano mo ito may uugnay sa iyong mga natutunan tungkol sa pamilya sa ating klase sa Values Education 8? May uugnay ko po, this one, yung family po, kasi very loving po sila. And yung lesson po kasi namin is to be very respectful to others and be loving and know your place in your family.